Welcome to dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Russia. So let's get started. Step 1, you need to choose the exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart or just click the link below. Type Russia into the search bar and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Russia. Choose an exchange that suits your needs and move on to step 2, register and KYC. This process usually involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3, deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. The process may be different depending on which exchange you chose, so make sure to follow the instructions on the exchange's website. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to check out the updated list of exchanges in Russia. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy, link below. And that's it for today. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Russia, and see you in the next video.